Okay, how's it going everyone? And welcome back to the channel Dan vs Food. It's now Sunday morning, about 10:30. I slept like crazy last night, 12 hours straight. Didn't even wake up to use the bathroom. Anyway, today, the weather, wow. Well, actually the last few days here, like literally Monday it was like 29 degrees and now it's like 12. So it's like, it's not that cold, but it feels definitely a lot colder. I think it's because it's just literally like in such a short space of time the temperature has dropped here, you know, but it's actually quite nice in the sun. So what I'm going to do today, I'm in dire need of a long walk. Yeah, I need some sort of exercise. So we're gonna head over the river there. I think it's like oh, that is New Taipei City, actually it's classed as. And I think it's like we're gonna walk up the other side of the river to, is it Sanchong? I think it's Sanchong district. But the car bridge is there, but the walking bridge, or no, it's the same bridge, but I've got to like cut through a few alleys and then I think maybe this way, and there's just like, I don't know, on the map it sort of hooks up and around. I've got to try and find the entrance to the foot bridge. Hello. These kids are just sort of staring and smiling. Yes, so I think yeah, I'm not sure how difficult it would be to find the entrance to the footpath, because I have kind of walked a little bit around this area before, but I've never seen it. So we'll find out where it is. But yeah, I'm in like kind of moving mood today. Been obviously quite busy with work, so don't get that much time to go out and get a good walk. But now it's like perfect weather. It's nice to be able to walk around and not be like, you know, outside for 30 seconds and be dripping with sweat like straight away. There's the highway, elevated highway. Now there's the car bridge down there. Where is this footpath entrance? Maybe down here. I'll probably spend more time trying to find this this entrance than actually just like walking over the river. It's like 1 kilometer or something to the other side. But yeah, just have no idea how to get onto the bridge. So the map is showing that it is just here, but what's this place here? Oh, duck or goose maybe? Yeah, it's showing the, oh wait there, can I see something that looks like some steps going up? Maybe. No, it's a shadow. I thought they were steps. Okay. So I swear, well, I just checked on the map and it showed the footpath to be like here. I can see some steps there, but that's just a road. There's nowhere to get onto it. So I might have to keep going this way. Oh god, how to get over? Because I need to be on that bridge, so I don't really need to be going this way. Right, definitely cannot walk from the entrance to the car road bit. Car road bit. Okay, all right, back to you in a minute. Okay, so there wasn't anything that way, so we're actually turned around now, and I'm going to walk to the end of this road. I think there might be the footpath entrance there. Well, maybe not. Just looks like proper highway, elevated road up there. But the maps are telling me different. The maps are saying that the footpath is there. So, fingers crossed. yeah, I just want to get back in the sun, to be honest with you, because in the shade it is chilly. I never thought I'd say that here, but I guess Taiwan is a little bit more north, so the seasons, yeah, there is quite a big difference in the seasons here. It's winter time, but that's nice, and the sun is nice. Oh, it's green. I thought it was red. That's what happens when you're vlogging. It's hard to pay attention. Nice little park here, kind of park gym with a temple, another temple. But I really need to keep my eye out for this footpath. Maybe over there, cut through there and then somehow go up and around. No idea. Or this looks promising. We're on the river front. Yeah, the river's like just there. But big but how to get up. Ah, this is annoying now. Oh, yeah, that's how far we've walked. That's the bridge that I need to go get up onto, because there was literally no entrance to it. It's so weird. But let's get in the sun anyway. Let's walk along the river with the cyclists. Such a nice day. So beautiful. So this isn't the main river, this is a side part. The main river is behind that like verge there. And this is, God, yeah, there's barely any water in here. Okay, it's got to be this way. It's going to be a bit of a walk today, but that's what I want. It's going to be at least an hour and a half or 2 hours, but I'm pretty sure this video won't be that long. Once we get to the other side there, like I said, we're going to walk up that way and then cross over, I think it is that Sanchong bridge, and then be a couple of kilometers up here and sort of work my way back around to this area. Probably grab some food on the way, and maybe I do need to buy some shoes. I'm in dire need of new shoes now, so could possibly be doing a bit of shoe shopping. Right, I can see steps going up to the bridge there. Why was there no access to it on the other side? There really wasn't. That's a little bit annoying. I don't know how I'm going to get up there so that I can cross over. There's a heron. Oh, yeah, this is turning into being a little bit more difficult than I anticipated. There is a ladder there. Will I climb up the ladder and go up there? Probably not. Okay, well anyway, we're just going to keep walking. Maybe we won't be able to make it over that side from here. We'll just continue walking up, and yeah, there might be the footpath entrance. We'll see. Alright, look what I found. I'm going to try it. We're a little bit of a way up though from the bridge. The bridge is there, but maybe... no, I don't think so. I think that's literally just going to take us to the other side again. That's the road. Should I try? No, I'm not going to. I can see that it's not going to take me to where I want to go. So, okay. We're just going to keep walking this way. We're not actually that far from the bridge here. I think on this side, yeah, the distance from the big bridge behind us to this bridge here is not that far, but over there it kind of spreads out a bit more either side. That's why I wanted to walk over there, but all good. It's all good. Okay, so we come to the second bridge now. I'm seeing cyclists actually, but I don't know if I can get up there. It'd be good to maybe cross over on this bridge and then walk up the other side. I just can't see anything to get up there. It's really weird. Yeah, no steps. Little kind of area for skateboarding here. No ramps or anything though. Really cut through. Oh, there's a couple of ramps over there for them on that side. No way to get up onto that bridge. It does look like we're going to be walking only on this side of the river. Where's the footpath then? Don't want to be walking in the cycling lane. Let's go through here. Looks like there's a walk-in path there. Yes. So I hope you're enjoying this. Like I said, it is just going to be a random kind of walk around today, just to get moving a bit. Some fresh air at last. Okay, it's better. Some nice flowers here. Autumn flowers maybe. So coming up to the third bridge in about 5-10 minutes. This is just so nice. It really is. I can't explain it. It's been such a long time since I don't think I've ever walked in any country in Asia where I'm having like a cool breeze blowing onto me. Ever, anywhere. So this is a nice relief, to be honest. Very nice. So it looks like we're coming up to some stalls of stuff, but I don't know. That first one doesn't look very much open. Maybe other one around there, yeah. Some seating area. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it's for the ferry. I'm not sure. Oh no, it's a bicycle place. You can rent the bikes. This is like a privatized one. Normally they have U-Bike here. Love Taipei. Taipei Riverside Bike Rental Centers. Let's check out how much it is. I'm not sure. Where's the price? Where's the price? Don't know. We've got ice cream there. Probably not that much though. Oh, hello. How much is it for bike rental?
The price is here.
Oh, it's there, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Ooh.
Price is
So
for the number for the car in here.
So the different.
Yes, you can see
the different.
Yes.
Okay, each one's different price.
Yes,
yeah.
you can see the number here, and you can know the price.
That's 80 for 1 hour.
Yes, for this one.
Up to 340
If you
for
want to
4
climb
hours.
the mountain, is for number 3. and he's for $6 for 1 hour.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
You
Thank
can
you.
choose one.
That's cool. Cheers, bro. Thank you. That's about $6 for 1 hour. He said, right? He said something about the. Oh yeah, the mountain bikes. That was it. Mountain bikes, obviously a little bit more. But there's a couple of them looked a little bit old. But Taipei is a relatively flat city, and of course just like along the riverfront here it's all flat, easy to cycle. I couldn't. Let's have a look here, see what's open. Some cafe, steamy cup of joy, ice cream. How much is a coffee? 85, 60. So this is probably open in the evening for burger places, hot dogs, stalls. But as of now, looks all closed. Don't know why. It'll be open, right? On a Sunday, sit up there, chill, beer and a burger. What's that? That looks like a beer place. I can see taps. Sunmai. Yeah. Can't really see anyone drinking beer though. Okay, there's the pier. Little dance group here. No music though. They're doing it silent. Some practicing. It's like a mini trip. Let's party river cruise. Madame Anna. Dadaocheng Wharf. Yeah. What's she saying? So we might be sort of coming to the end of this part. You can see the exit there to the main road. I think, I don't know, yeah, maybe we can keep going. Yes, we can. So we will. There we go, there's a little bridge there. Ah, toilets. I think I need to use the toilet. That is what I'm gonna do. Back with you in a sec. Whew, that's better. There we go. Let's cross over up there. I'm getting hungry now. Seeing people with snacks. He's got a steamed bun and whatever those people back there on the benches were eating. Sunshine. Yes. I think I've changed my mind. I think I'm not going to walk up this river. I think I'm going to actually cut through that sort of entrance exit, and yeah, because I am hungry, I'm going to try and find something to eat. I don't know what I want though. I don't want anything like really big, like a huge meal. Just try and find something, I don't know, something small, something healthy maybe, if that exists here. We'll find something. I think, yeah, so back that way. We can just sort of like explore around this area for a little while and then sort of hook a right and head back into sort of Ximen direction. We've walked a couple of kilometers up now. So, and yeah, the sun, it's actually quite hot now. The thing is, because it's getting closer to lunchtime, it's almost 12. So yeah, temperature's getting a little bit hotter. Duck feet. Yeah, let's head this way, see what we can find. Coming up to a busy place. Busy's always good. What is it? Steam buns. It is. Steam buns and some kind of soup there. Wow, it's packed full of meat, that though. Looks good. What's down here? Little market area. And over there, oh, I don't know which way to go. This is closed off. Pedestrian street. Okay, let's go down this way then. And we don't have to like navigate through cars and traffic and stuff like that. I think there are those cakey things stuffed of something, probably red bean, usually red or green bean. Everywhere's busy, I think. Looks good. It's like a prawn noodle dish, like in a really small bowl there. That is something that I could do with, like not this huge gigantic portion of something. Souvenir shop. Yeah. What's that? Oh, is it fish? Fish roe. 900 though. 900 for one. Wow. Yeah, it's quite a lot. What's that? Seaweed? Fish skin? Fish something? So yes, this is at Sanchong district now, that's where we are. Black pepper flavoured beef burger. That looks more like sausage to me. Oh, sausage burger, 85. Smells nice. Whatever that is coming from there. Mushroom. Dried mushrooms. Whoa. Getting loads of amazing smells from something. Some different teas I think here. Herbal tea mixtures, dried fungus. Cinnamon rolls. No, that's not healthy. However tempting that is. Ooh. Is that ground almond? Probably, yeah, 320, wow. Nuts. 300. Almonds. Sunflower seeds. People coming to temple. Buy the incense and paper and burn it. Right, where should we go? Just follow this down here or go down there and right? Maybe just stick on this road. siphon. I think it's just a drink place. Bubble tea, as I can see. Or, oh no, just like cocktail place. That? Some sort of pastry, I think. Or a bakery there. Dadaocheng drinks, cheese. Guava, just yeah, cut up guava. No juice. Mochi. mochi. What's this here? Let's see. Looks like it could be like a dog cafe or something. No. Just a cafe. Can't see any dogs. I would have probably gone in there if it was a dog cafe. What's that? Is that scallops? I think it is, right? Dried scallops. Maybe. Oh, got that smell. Stinky tofu. No, thank you. Not today. Seriously. If you open that, I have no idea what that would smell like, but I think it would just be like pure rot. Very, very fermented tofu. It looks like it's been in there for a while as well. Okay, more nuts, dried mango, stuff like that. A lot of this, seaweed again. Beans. So we've come to the bottom of this part. Dadaocheng, I can't pronounce it right. And there's a map here. That's helpful. Let's check the map. Okay. We are here. And we've walked from, I don't know, oh yeah, we'll be there I think. We come along and then walk down. Fresh juice, stinky tofu. Just keep walking then maybe. 7-Eleven, 7-Eleven. Yeah, let's just keep walking. It's a bit too busy there to be honest. I don't want to really sit down and queue up for ages and eat stinky tofu. Not in the mood for stinky tofu today. And I'm happy to wander around for a while. I'm not gonna waste away. So maybe instead of just walking down here, I might cut through there and just go down some of the back alleys. There's usually more interesting things than on just this main road. It doesn't look like there's a lot going on. Burger, Taiwanese burger. That's always a good sign. Smoke coming from something, but oh, I don't know. It doesn't look like a kitchen. Looks like a temple. Another temple. Yes, it is. What's down there? Can we cut through there? It's beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. don't know now. Maybe this way. I need food. Oh, so we just come onto another main road now. I think we're gonna head in this direction, just keep walking down straight. I think Taipei Main Station's about a 20-minute walk this way. So, yeah, okay. Another burger place there. What's that? Layer Burger. Well, it's been a while since I've had a burger, you know. Mr. Burger, hello. Burger, brunch. Oh, there's risotto and pasta as well. Let's have a little look at the menu. This, oh, English one's here, yeah. Thank you. Oh, bagels. Too bad, 59. It's only like a little bit more expensive than 7-Eleven. Egg and bacon. Some sandwich sort of things there. Rolls. Japanese pork cutlet. Shrimp cutlets. Codfish and cheese burger. Yeah, looks alright, but maybe not right now. Fishy. Yeah. Let me keep walking. Keep going down. Is that it? Dried pork floss shop. Okay, we are now directly behind Taipei train station. It's just there. And I think sort of behind this block just here, there is a bunch of like small little alleys with tons and tons of food options down there. I did walk down there one morning, but a lot of it was closed. Now Sunday afternoon, lunchtime, it's got to be open. So just a few minutes walk this direction, and then yeah, we'll hook a left, try and find something to eat. I am really hungry now. I'm in desperate need of food, so we'll definitely find something here. Here we go. Should be down here. Hopefully things are open, but it's like a little shopping district as well. And this stuff is closed. Not sure why. What's that one here? Nothing there. But I think here is where I want to be. What's that? Orange juice. Let's go this way. Can't see or smell any food, hey? Any food places. It's just like actual bag shops everywhere. Let's go this way. It's down there. It actually still seems like quite close. What's going on? Bags. Holdalls. Hello Kitty bags. That smells like peanut something. Maybe a peanut dessert of some kind. Let's go this way. Q. Q for what? Don't know. There's no pictures. I can't see the food. And that is a menu, only Chinese menu. And the prices as well in Chinese. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, should we fit through there? Oh my god. Okay, looks like dessert place. Dumplings. Noodles. Does look good. Whoa. What do I want? Oh no, terrible at choosing. More noodle. Kind of fancy some ramen, some proper Japanese ramen, you know. Oh, it's eel rice. Oh, I haven't had eel here before. And that is like a Japanese sort of delicacy as well, isn't it? It's like, oh, this is a Japanese place. This is a Japanese place. I think so. Wow. Okay, here's ramen. How weird was that? That was so weird. Okay. I might just check out this menu quickly, because check this out. It's Norwegian grilled mackerel with sashimi, lobster ramen. Lobster ramen, $4.50. Oh, that's tempting, but I do want to try the eel. Okay, first I'm just going to ask if I can film. I think I'll just ask permission before deciding, so that always happens. Look at the menu for ages, decide, and then they're like, no camera, no camera. So, okay, back in a sec. Okay, so I've asked for permission. The guy said, yeah, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. So I think I'm going to go for a small assorted sashimi, and this is the giant grouper ramen. That's what I'm going to go for. I don't think he speaks that much English. And there's a couple of spaces in there for me. Nowhere to sit outside. Looks good though. Yeah, we'll see about the eel after. I'm not sure if I'll have room for the eel, but some fresh seafood right now would be great. And some ramen. Yeah. Can I? Oh wait. Can I have this one?
310 piece. 15 piece.
15 piece.
Okay.
Okay. 300.
Okay.
And can I have one of the giant grouper ramen?
Giant grouper. Okay.
Grouper, yeah. Awesome. I think might have to pay for it. So
Table 9. Table 9. Table 9.
Table 9. Table 9. Oh yeah, look at that eel. Thank you.
First pay.
First pay, okay. Alright, yeah, I thought so. Okay. Just go pay the man. As you can see, it's a bit squashy in here, so I probably can't film him like preparing, but yeah, you can see. This is a sushi bar, sashimi bar. $580. 580, both of those. Yeah. All right, mate.
Hey.
500. Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
What have we got here? Let's see what's in there. Oh, it looks like dried chili powder, sesame, and maybe seaweed. Of course, soy sauce. Yeah, I'm excited about this. It's been a long time since I've had some Japanese food. I'm kind of craving it, you know? Something different. So yeah, proper excited for this. We'll see about that eel. I don't know if to get the eel as well. It's probably going to be too much food, right? We'll see how big the bowl of ramen is. And he said 15 pieces of sushi for 300. That's really good. Whoa, check that out. That is massive. One hella big bowl of ramen. Check it out. Huge. chunks of grouper fish in there. We've got, I think that might be like a salted egg. Doesn't just look like simply boiled. And these are flour fish, kind of something or other. What's that? Like crab stick. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this. It's nice. That's the type of ramen broth I like. It's not really salty. It's good. Really, really good. It's just what I wanted. Try and add some of this, I think. Sized chunk of grouper. Wow, that's some good stuff. It's just boiled egg. I thought the colour of it looked a bit sort of salted, but it's not. It's good. Very creamy yolk. Oh yeah, check that out. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, you have wasabi. Wasabi? Wasabi, yeah. Oh, is there? Oh, okay, perfect. Thank you. Check this out. Oh, look at those chunks. They're huge. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure what that is. Obviously, I have salmon and tuna? I think so. I think. Right. Soy. Oh, no, it's okay. Soy sauce. Take a thumbnail actually. Okay, thumbnail's taken. A bit of the soy sauce in there. Tastes like Japan. Let's get this wasabi. Mix it in. Is this gonna blow my head off? Probably yes. Let's try. Not too bad. Okay, let's try this. Which piece first? Yes, look at that. Wow. Cheers. that's better than the grouper that was in there. That's about 100 times better than the cooked grouper. I'm not sure what fish this is. I don't know what it is. But it's absolutely delicious. Look at the size of these chunks though as well. Look at that. All of this for 300, that's £7.50, about $9 US. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Wow. Got a little half a calamansi, I think it's called, right? Little mini citrus fruit. Okay, so we do have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there are 5, or is that the same as that? Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. Well, let's try it. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, I'm excited now. It's like a long time. In fact, I don't think I've ever had like sashimi like this before. Like this. Wow. No. This just like feels like actual meat. Like there's no fish texture consistency to that whatsoever. I'm gonna dunk it in a bit more. Want more of the, what's it called? Wasabi with this bit. Oh yeah. Wow. That is one of the sort of meatiest fish I've ever had. You know, it takes some chewing, but it's just so fresh and delicious. You can usually tell by the skin of what fish it is, but I'm not entirely sure. Excuse me, what fish is this? Do you know in English? No. Grouper? It's not. No, it's not. No. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, if anyone knows what shiyu is in English, what fish that is, let me know in the comments of this video, okay? Because it is simply flippin-tastic. Alright, let's go for this bit. I think it is a different fish, this one, because I don't know, it's a similar colour, but this is a lot softer, and you can see there. Ah, look at that. Oh my god. And there's just wasabi on the side there. Dunk, dunk, dunk. I'd like to dance with joy. I'm so glad I came here. Wow. Oh, he's got this. Oh, I think he just put on a sailfish. Sailfish, yeah? I've never heard of sailfish before. What's sailfish? I might have to look that up on my phone. He's doing a good job though. He's doing a good job. Sailfish. Okay, thank you. Sailfish. I don't think I have ever heard of that fish before. No, but it's really, really good. Okay, this bit's been the best so far. That's the, oh no, no, second best, third best so far. Okay, let's try for the salmon now. But just look at the amount that's here as well for that price. I'm really impressed with that. No, I definitely do not need that noodle. I won't be eating that noodle. It's just too much. Just craving this. What's the 1,000 one then? There's one on the menu for 1,000. You know it's good. You know it. Alright, on the last part. This one has a slightly different skin. It's kind of oh god, I don't know. Is that tuna? I think it must be tuna. Yeah. Wow. That's just amazing. tried wasabi, but love it. Wow. Simply wow. I'm actually going to squeeze this onto, I don't want to squeeze it on all of it, just a little bit on each piece. Yeah. And this stuff, what is that, radish? I'm not even sure if you're supposed to eat that. Obviously you can if you want to, but there's a lot there, a lot. I might try it. But I think it's generally something like a bed for the fish. Oh. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Rest of it, I want that with the citrus fruit and wasabi there. I love it. I am for sure going to be coming back here. This will be my go-to like protein seafood place from now on, because I haven't seen any places that do like chunks like this, and for this price as well. There's a lot of seafood here. Amazing. I don't even know the name of the place. I can't remember now. Anyway, so whoa. Seriously, like this is absolutely, like, categorically protein overload. Like, hello. It is. There's so much. Hello. Hiya. I'm full. Yeah, there's more than enough here. There's probably enough for 2 or 3 people just to like share with beer or something. But this isn't something I'm willing to waste. So I'm just gonna sit here and take my time and finish this. I've got 4 big chunks remaining. But yeah, if you want like protein, you're craving protein here, which I do a lot because it's hard to find. Everything is like just full of carbs. It's always rice, noodles, dumplings, steamed buns, stuff like that, you know. Sorry if I'm talking and eating at the same time. And it's hard to find a decent amount of protein in any meal, I find. A lot of meals anyway. So just something like this. The ramen was pretty good. I like the broth. But this, if I were to come back here, I'd get this. I would get this for sure. Again. Yeah. But maybe the smaller one next time. There was a price next to the 300. Maybe it was 10 pieces, something like that. Which, like I said, 6 to 8 pieces of this is enough. It's flipping awesome. Oh yeah. Wow. Last bit, salmon. Love it. Okay, Shishi, thank you very much. So, as you can tell, I loved it. I'm definitely going to come back here at some point and I'm going to try the eel. Yeah, because that's one thing that I have not tried before. And it's a must. Okay, what to do now? Oh, I've sort of lost my direction a little bit. yeah, we're just right next to the train station, aren't we? But I'm not sure which direction the train station's in. Maybe that way and right, I think. Like the guard dog. Okay. Probably going to end the vlog here now, I think. Take a wander back. If I can find my way back, that is. And oh, I'm so full. Literally so full. I don't think I need like any more protein for a good few days now. That's how I'm feeling. That was so good. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you enjoyed the river walk around. That oh, okay, there we go. There's the station. Perfect. Dadaocheng, or however you pronounce that area. And then just these little back alleys here as well. Okay. Have an awesome weekend, everybody. And from Taipei, be seeing you soon. Peace out.